So here's where we are. Holy cow, there's still a lot of pieces that I need to put together. Today I'm gonna be working on this housing, which is the oil filter housing for the engine. And then I'm gonna put it over here because I need to put the gaskets together and put all these pieces in place. This thing is looking really good, my friend. I'm taking care of your car. Without it, I don't know. It's been a big blessing to have this little project. And it's fun. But yeah, I'll be working on that. Need the water pump right here. Whoa, whoa, careful. So I have these big components that I'll be working today. And the balancer pulley, which is one that I need also. This one here. These are the big projects today. And this one actually goes right down there. So we'll keep moving. All right. Fish.